good morning, good afternoon, or good night, whenever you're listening to this audio. Hello, teacher. My name is Eduardo Patiño. Today, I am going to present a family member. This is Carlos Patiño. He is 45 years old. He is Colombian and he lives in Cali, Colombia. His birthday is on March 15th. He is a worker. He is friendly and responsible. In his free time, he likes watching movies, listening to music, and spending time with his family. He does not like waking up early. His daily routine is getting up early, working during the day, spending time with his family, and resting at night. Thank you so much for watching my presentation.